Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can delete your ChatGPT search history. As you can see that there is a search history that is created by ChatGPT, which I have searched on ChatGPT. To remove this search history, you need to go to your profile icon down there here, click on it and then go to setting, click on it, and here you will see the option data controls. Now click on delete all, click confirm, and here you go. Your all search history from ChatGPT removed successfully.